Back to the next video. In today's video, continuing with our pet care application for a native Android app using Jetpack Compose. So firstly, what we will do is that we will show Google Map to the user. So this Google Map again, I'm not showing this pets over the Google Map. The idea is to only display Google Map in this video, as well as we will complete this pet health screen as well. So yeah, let's get started with the Google Map first. So what you will have to do, go to your application. Firstly, you will have to add this metadata. Now I won't explain how to obtain API key for Google Map. You can just Google it. But once you obtain an API key, instead of 123, you will have to write your own API key. Once you do that, you will have to add these two dependencies. Next, inside our explore composable, I have just added Google Map. Just be careful with all the dependency you import, because it sometimes imports the dependency for old XML layouts as well. So make sure you import the right dependencies. Once you do that, yeah, I think that should be it, and you should be able to see Google Map in your screen. So currently I'm just pointing it to Singapore location. So if you see the output, I'm just pointing it to the Google Map location. That's it. So this is done. The next screen is next thing is I will go to the profile tab, and over here what I can do, so I have added a click listener to this button. Once you click it, we will go to the pet health screen. So this is for wellness and this is for medical records. So again, all data is hard coded for now, but later on we will see how to fetch it from the server. So the next thing which you will have to do is go to bottom navigation bar. No, not bottom navigation. I think it is main navigation. Yeah. So here you will have to add one screen for pet health as well. Pet health won't be part of our bottom navigation bar, but we need to show the bottom navigation bar once we redirect to the pet health screen. That's why it is part of main navigation and not part of the activity routes which we had created previously. So just create this and create inside screens, just add this path as well. Next, inside strings.xml, I have added few strings for whatever is required for this particular screen. Next, what I have done is I have just gone to profile, and here so for profile item status I have added a perform action, and we are navigating to pet health. Same over here as well, and same over here as well. And now if you go to profile item status, you just have to add this perform action over here, and you will have to refactor it over here. Okay, now I will close everything. So here next you will have to create a pet health folder. Inside that, create this composable, and firstly I have taken tabs. So we require wellness as well as medical research, and a tab index for starting state is 0. Then I am making sure our content is occupied over the status bar as well. So next, so I have just given a title of pet health. Okay, let me just refactor this code, the format code. Okay, I think it's not working. Okay, and this is for the top app bar. Next we want the material top tab row as well. And so what I have done is make sure you add this column. This column is very important, otherwise your tab row won't be visible to you. Next, I have added this tab row, and it will take a selected tab index. The background color is green and the container color is green as well. Then I am just looping over each of the tabs. So we want to display two tabs, one for wellness and one for medical records. So that's what I have done over here. Next, we have created two composable. First is pet wellness and second is pet medical records, which will get displayed accordingly. So just create two composable for now. Next, this screen is for pet health allergies. So if you see over here, so this is the screen for it. And what I have done is I have just taken a card and added some colors as well as a modifiers to it. Then I have created another composable called pet health header, which we will see shortly. And inside row I have taken one spacer. Then I have taken pet health subtitle box and I added few titles. Okay, so these are the titles: skin allergies, maybe a component by the gastrointestinal symptoms, and Dr. Jerry. Same for spacer, and next for a second subtitle, pet health allergies. Next I have created pet health appointments, and here again I have created a card with colors and modifiers, and this is the pet health header, and here I have created a column. Next a text for it. So if you see pet health appointments, this is the thing. Okay, and then I have just created one spacer as well as our button for it. Next is pet health header. So here you can see that I have just taken a text and a spacer, and if show see all is true, then only we will show the text button. Okay, so pretty simple. Next I have taken pet health past treatments. Here I have taken one card, and inside that we are displaying text, then a spacer, then a text again, again a spacer, then a row for displaying everything. Okay, next for pet health past vaccination, same thing, one card, then pet health header as well as row. And next is pet health subtitle box, and here make sure you mark this as row scope dot whatever is your composable name, because if you don't mark this as row scope, you won't be able to use this weight property. So this is the new thing which I learned, because I wanted to use the weight property, and a weight property can be only used when you are inside a column or an row, but there is no parent, like that's why we have to mark this as row scope dot. Then I have taken a column, then text, then a spacer, then text and text as well. Then this is for pet health vaccination. Just remove this unnecessary imports. I have created a card, I have created pet health header as well as I have created one row for it. Okay, next I have created pet medical records. I have taken a column, and this is I'm just calling the required composables. Similarly for pet wellness as well, I have just created a column and calling the required composables as well. So I know this video was a little bit dry, everything is still hard coded, but yeah, in the future we will be fetching data from the API. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.